In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add typewriter sound effect to text in CapCut. By the end, your on-screen text will appear letter by letter while a satisfying typing sound plays in sync. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project where you want the effect. You can create a new project or open an existing one. Either way, make sure your timeline is visible so you can see your video and audio tracks clearly. If your media isn't already in the project, import your clip first so you're building the effect on the correct section. Next, add your text and apply the typewriter animation. Select text, add a text box to your timeline, then type the exact words you want to appear on screen. Position and style it now. Choose your font, size, color, and placement, because it's easier to match audio timing once the visual look is set. With the text layer selected, go to the animation options and choose the typewriter effect so the characters reveal one by one. Adjust the animation speed so the letters appear at a natural reading pace. A helpful tip: lengthen or shorten the text clip on the timeline to fine-tune how quickly the entire line completes, and preview a few times to get a smooth flow. Now, open the audio tools by clicking on Audio. This brings up CapCut's audio panel where you can access built-in libraries. Using this panel keeps everything organized and lets you quickly preview options without leaving your project. Within the audio panel, switch to Sound Effects. This is where CapCut groups short, punchy clips like clicks, whooshes, and, in our case, typing. You'll see categories and a search bar, which makes it easy to find what you need fast. Search for a typing sound effect. Try keywords like typewriter, typing, or keyboard. Preview a few variations. Some sounds are vintage and mechanical. Others are softer and modern. Choose the one that matches your video's vibe. When you're happy, add the effect to your timeline under the text layer. Trim or duplicate the sound so it spans the full length of the typewriter animation, and nudge it so each click aligns with the pace of the letters appearing. If it feels too loud, lower the volume slightly to keep it supportive rather than distracting. Small gaps can help punctuation stand out. Quick overlaps can make fast typing feel energetic. Play the sequence back and make tiny adjustments until the visuals and audio feel locked together. That's it. Open CapCut, add text with the typewriter effect, head to Audio, open Sound Effects, and pick the typing sound that fits. Preview, align, and you're done.